Yo, welcome back to the channel. Let's look into Rumble. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you want to know what is the best niche for Rumble. It's kind of like new to most people in Africa, but it's not new to countries like America. And that is our target for today. So if you want to make money on Rumble and you want to be successful on Rumble, there are just some few niche you need to focus on. Unlike YouTube, where you have so many niche to pick from. Rumble is just very limited. So you can see almost everything on YouTube. This is YouTube. Now let's compare the interface first before we get straight into it. So this is the same interface as this is YouTube, but now let's look at Rumble. This is almost the same thing as YouTube. You have a shop, library, watch history, watch later, for you, browse. Even they have shorts and they even call it shorts on Rumble. So what's the best niche that pays when it comes to Rumble? Let's look into it quickly because I did some few research on it. Unlike YouTube, where you find so many niche, the best niche is just this four: news and politics. Rumble is kind of like a very serious platform where you find just serious people looking for. It's kind of like setting contents. Unlike YouTube, where you find almost everybody. It's not a search engine. So news and politics commentary. This is the undisputed heart of the platform, as you can see. Then we have alternative tech and do it yourself, like tech reviews, open source discussion, and survivalist content performance perform exceptionally well on this particular platform. Now, when it comes to comedy and satire, we have edgy, uncensored comedy, but I wouldn't advise you to go into this. You see, the first one and the second one is just the best if you want to make money. Now, why are we saying this is just the best? Most people on this platform are here for news. I mean, the people you see are just white people or Americans who are just after what is going on around them, around the country. And if you want to make money, you have to target people from those countries, like the first world countries, Europe, America. Those are the news that are trending. Now, how do you go about this? I'm going to go a little bit into that. If you're into podcast, yes, you might get views, but they don't have a search engine yet, like YouTube, which is linked to Google. If you search for anything on YouTube or Google, you see options of. So let me just minimize this real quick and give you some instance. So let's go to Google. Let's say we're looking for Trump because that's like the most searched right now on the internet. So let's say you're looking for Trump, and when you say hit search on Google, you see Trump. Then if you go to videos, you will see mostly YouTube videos. Not just mostly, almost 98% is just YouTube videos. We're not even seeing Rumble on the search. So don't go into what is not searched on Rumble. Now, if you come to shorts, it's still YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and the likes, TikTok, but we're now gonna see Rumble on this platform. So this is why I'm saying everybody should just focus on news content, or you look into alternative tech and do it yourself. That is DIY. Now, the next step I will advise you or I want to explain to you guys is this. If you want to get what is trending, almost everybody is doing the same thing on Rumble. But how can you beat people who are already doing the same thing that you're doing on Rumble or get to the feed or the timeline of these people before so that people can subscribe to you? So we come here, I'm just going to advise you to come get or go sign up for Google Trends. If you come to Google Trends, if you just go to trends.google.com, you will be here. So let's just start from the start. I'll click here and I'll say enter. So you just go to trends.google.com. So you say explore what the world is searching for right now, which is true. And this is where we're going to get our news content from, or what is trending, or what will give us views. So you come to explore and you search for, let's say, Trump, or let's say America. Let's say America. Good. Okay, let's just go for that. If you go to this is what you will see. USA, what is trending, Baddies USA, US versus Senegal, and all that. But we've come to trending now. What is currently trending right now? We see, okay. So this is showing my country. You might get it wrong. So the first thing to do is come here and select America, the country where you, America, okay, United States. All right, all regions. We don't want to limit ourselves to any country, any states. So we just go to all regions. So there's news currently trending on Trump booed at MSG. That's like 2 million people searching for this. So if you look for this news story and you create a news story around this and you put it on Rumble, trust me, you're gonna do well because like 2 million people are looking for it just 18 hours ago. So let's say we want to see, we click on it. So these are what people are talking about, what is in the news. Trump touches Stephen A. Smith and all that. So if we click on here, it will take us to the news channel that is talking about this currently. So you can easily come download this particular video here. You can come download this particular video. Once you download it, you can go make a commentary on it or react to it and you upload it to Rumble and definitely you get traffic from there. So I'm just going to show you some few steps. If you don't have access, let's say you want to try and download something from here, we can't download. There are a lot of ways we can go around it. Let's see if we can download. Okay, embed, email, and all that. If you're looking for a particular news like this one and you can't find it, what we can easily do is just screen record this, go to wherever you're going to react to it with, react, edit it on CapCut or any editing software. You can use Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro to edit your video and you upload it on Rumble. Once you upload it on Rumble, make sure that your Rumble is already verified. So if you want to verify your Rumble, you need to go to your profile, go to account settings, then you come to verification. Then once you put in your number, you get a code, you'll be verified. All this will turn green, will be checked into green. Once you have this, the next step is to upload. The same process applies to you when you're doing the YouTube uploads. You have to wait for like 24 hours minimum or 48 hours on list your video before you publish it to the public. Once you do that, you give the algorithm time to look for people they're going to suggest your videos to. So yeah, that's basically it. If this do help you, please let me know in the comment section, smash like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.